Good day. We have a problem about our ER crane stuck at the middle and then we cannot operate forward enough so that we can troubleshoot. I'll show you how we rectify easy and simple step without climbing at the middle of that crane to check the panel. Okay? The things that we need to do is to emergency releasing brake, but the motor is at the middle, we don't need to climb. This is the very simple trick. Remove that bolts to lower that gear to disengage in the rail. Unlike in this forward and starboard movement, we can easily release the brake by using this spindle. Okay, clockwise means releasing the brake, manually brake, so that you can move for port side and starboard. While in our case, we have problem on forward and aft. We need to climb at the middle, but this is what happens. We remove the two bolts and loose the locking bolt so that the gear will disengage on the rail. Okay, same as at the port side. We already release and start to pull the crane manually. Thank you for our chief and motorman to help us secure this ER crane. Okay, then after that we can easily troubleshoot our panel. During checking, as you can see, the wire is disconnect on the terminal. It means this cable for our pendant is pulled or stuck on the railings, and then our crane is moving. That's why the wire of the pendant is pulled itself. It's because it's stuck on the railings, and then we need to rectify because this wire is damaged. We remove the wire for our pendant, and also we open the pendant. It's like spaghetti on the pendant, and then there is damage. Okay, there is damage on the wire, almost a 1.5. We need to cut that one because there is some damage of that wire. As you can see, the pendant, wired on the pendant, inside the pendant, there is a lot of connectors. Then we disconnect that one and rectify also, so that clean wiring. And then, for example, L22 for that wire, the result continuity test is intermittent. It means there is a cut on that wires or disconnected between that damage of the wire. We found out the 5 wires damage at the length of 1.5. Okay, also the old connectors, as you can see, they splice different connectors, but we need to cut also that one and change the connectors and the proper label. Okay, as you can see, proper labeling, because previously there is a no label, only a tape. Okay, and then that's it. We need to put it back, and after securing, that's it.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.